we'll guide you through how to share files on Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to Dropbox.com, then log in to your account. Once you're in, go to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Files to view all your stored documents. Locate the file or folder you want to share. Hover your mouse over the file, and you'll see a Share button appear on the right side. Click on it. A window will pop up asking you to enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the file with. You can add multiple email addresses here if you wish to share it with more than one person. Below the email address field, you'll see options to choose the level of access. You can select Can Edit if you want the recipients to have editing rights, or Can View if you only want them to view the file. After setting the access level, you might want to add a message to provide context or instructions to the recipients. Once you're done, hit the Share button at the bottom of the window. Dropbox will then send an email to the recipients with a link to access the file. If you prefer to share a link instead, click on Create Link in the same Share window. Once the link is generated, you can copy it and share it through any messaging platform or email. This is especially useful if you're sharing with someone who doesn't have a Dropbox account. Remember, you can manage the shared files settings at any time by going back to the Share button and adjusting permissions or removing access. This flexibility makes Dropbox a fantastic tool for collaboration and file sharing. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.